What is up, ladies and gentlemen? Bo Green here, and today I am going to show you how to do a CV. Now, a lot of people try to do their CVs, send them in, and they're not terrible, but they don't make you stand out from the crowd. Now, when you're getting into any job, especially in the yachting industry, you're going to want to stand out. So today, I'm going to show you how to make a successful CV, how to stand out, and how to do this very fast and efficiently. All right, here we go. Let's go to my screen. Let's go ahead and start this out. Now, what I've learned is the most important part about CV making is text boxes. Now, text boxes are definitely your friend because you can make them into any color you want, any shape you want, and all you have to do is open up Word, create a new document, and then go to Insert, Text Box. And you can click and drag this thing to do whatever you want. So like right here, boom, we have a text box, okay? And if you want to, like, let's say put your name and put where you're from. Okay, current location, West Palm Beach. All right, so that's the text box. Everything important is in there. And if you look at my other one that I've already kind of created, here it is right here. It just kind of lays it out with the important stuff right in the middle with the text box, and I'll show you how to make a text box colorful. So all you have to do is click on the text box, right? You go to Format up here in the top left, and you can fill it with any color you want. So like, let's say I like blue. I'm a blue guy. So boom, we have a blue text box. You can click and drag this wherever you want. So you make it as big as you want, as small as you want, whatever color. You could even put an outline. So I could have a purple outline. I could fill it full of different things. So like, really just play around with it. Whatever you like and whatever looks good to you. But first you're gonna say what you want, what kind of boat you want, what size. I mean, be really specific here because you don't want to just settle with anything in the yachting industry. You really want to nail down exactly what you want. Okay, and then what you're gonna want to do as well is put your goals. Jeez, this keyboard is struggling. Okay, goals in yachting, which basically is what is your ultimate goal in the yachting industry? Put that in the second paragraph. So there's gonna be two paragraphs of your objective. One, what you want. Number two, what you want in the future. Okay? Boom, that's your objective. Nailed it. All right, so right here, it's still at 16, so we're gonna put this down to 14. Actually put it down to probably 11, depending on how much stuff you have. 11 is a good size for your font. You can still read it, but it also doesn't take up a lot of space. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and go over to this one, the one that I've already kind of whipped up. So what you can do is once you get your headers and kind of like your points all set up, all you have to do is, actually another thing I'm going to tell you about is what I like to do is outline the outside so you know like where the realm of your text box is. So you go to Format and you just go to Outline. So now I know exactly where that text box is. And the cool thing about this is once you get your headers and your font below incorporated in these text boxes, all you have to do is copy and paste these text boxes. So I'm copying and pasting this text box right now. Boom. Okay? So you can change this from objective to, yachting experience. Really easy. Yachting experience. Okay, so something like that. And then you actually just go ahead and list all your yachting experiences. Okay, another thing that is really important is what I like to do is put out my skills in a rating system. Right, so this is my buddy Josh. He's my roommate as well, and I've helped him out with this CV. So as you can see here, I'm gonna go ahead and make this a little bigger. Zoom in. Oh, that's too far. Okay, so what I like to do is put my skills right here. You can see they definitely have the different skills. Rate them. Like Word has a whole bunch of different shapes that you could choose from. Right here, see? Okay, it's loading. All these different shapes. So you can put a star, you can put a sun, you can put a smiley face, you can put a lightning bolt, you can put a heart. Just insert whatever you want. Like, I don't even know if this is a parallelogram. I don't know what it is. But I could insert it, right? And then if you want to do more, you do copy and paste. Like, once you have this settled, a big thing you want to do is group them. So watch, all I have to do is do command, right? If I pick a whole bunch of different things, you want to press both, or if you have a, if you don't have a Mac, I think it's control. So you hold command or control, press both of them, and then you just press group. So now these two things are grouped. So you can literally just move them around wherever you want, woo, 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 and they're grouped. And that makes it a lot easier than just like clicking, dragging, clicking, dragging, clicking, dragging, clicking, dragging, every single one. So definitely remember the group tool. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and delete those. So those are gone. And let's see. These lines are really easy to make. You literally just make a shape. So you go into insert. I keep on doing insert. Let's just do shape, right? Lines and connectors. And you can just draw whatever you want. Insert. Lines and connectors. Boom. Whoop. And I just made a line. And that's basically all it is. How to make a CV, like from top to bottom. Just make sure you have text boxes. Text boxes are your friend. One more thing, probably the most important thing in CV history is profile picture. Your profile picture has to be nice. It has to be clean, it has to be crisp. You have to see your eyes, you have to see your teeth, you have to see your face. You have to not focus on the background, have a white shirt on or something that accentuates your eyes. Your eyes tell your whole entire story. Like, look at my eyes right now. They are telling my story. So, two things. Number one, I'm gonna put this template up online so you guys can check it out and learn from it. You know, just copy paste, move it around, everything. It's gonna be a free template for you, make it a lot easier for you. Also, if you're interested in getting some professional photos done, I do have a pretty nice camera. I'm not like a complete pro at taking pictures, but like I took this picture for my roommate. I've taken a couple other people's photos for their CV, and it helps out a little bit. So if you'd like me to take a picture for you, I don't know how much I would even charge, like maybe 20 bucks, like something really easy. Just go in there, ching, and upload it for you, edit it for you, and give it to you. I'm gonna give you this template. And also, one of the big things is I tried for forever to get a job on a yacht. And like 4 months, I think. It was like a really long time. Even though I had a great CV and I worked my butt off and I had business cards, like I still couldn't get a job. So I was like, what's going on? Like, what's wrong with me, right? And finally, I remember applying to Cotton Cruise. And I'm gonna go ahead and stop this recording. All right, man, I'll just keep going. Finally, I applied to Cotton Cruise, and I didn't really even know that they were a crew agency, but they are. And the cool thing about them is they're very personable. If they find a job that's like perfect for you, and they know that you're a great person, they know that you're working, they know that you're grinding, they know that you're working your CV, they know that you're out there, you know, day working as hard as you can, they will get you a job like that. So, I'd recommend from SDCW, come over to West Palm, apply to Cotton Cruise, get to know people around the yachting industry, especially the agents of Cotton Cruise, and you'll get a job in no time, right? All you have to do is be yourself, be positive, stay persistent, and let me know if you need any help. I'm not like a professional at any of this stuff, but I have been through some tough, I've been through the worst parts and I've been through the best parts, and it made me learn as much as I have right now. And I was in your same exact state, you know, trying to do different CVs and what works and what doesn't. So I have a little bit of insight on that. And what I've found is Cotton Cruise is the way to go, and Rybovich is the absolute bomb. You have to come over to Rybovich. It's awesome. I hope this really helps you out with your CV making. If you need any help with your CV, hit me up on Facebook. I have a Facebook page, Beau on Deck. Hit me up there. That's Beau, B-O space O-N space deck. I'll put a little link below, along with my template. And I think that's it. If you want a CV photo, hit me up on Beau on Deck as well. And I hope you have a wonderful day. Stay positive, stay beautiful, get out there and kill 'em.